Hello everyone, good evening. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to create a simple Excel model to compute the monthly savings that is required for while planning for a child's education. Let me start with some inputs. I'm just creating some model with title. The inputs will go here. I would need the child's current age, which would be, let us assume, we can always change this. Let me assume the current age is 4 years. And let me take the milestone age. The milestone age would be, let's say, when the kid is 17 years, I would like to have a corpus. I would like to have a corpus amount. And so therefore, we have nearly 13 years to save. I'll say 17 minus 4. So we have 13 years to save. Education cost in today's terms. Okay, that means what is the expected education cost when the kid will be 17? If the kid is 17 today, what is the education cost that would like to incur? Let us assume that we want to have around 25 lakh rupees of amount when the kid is 17 years. But of course, we are expressing this in today's terms. So today, if the kid is 17 years, I would need 25 lakhs. And let us make another assumption. Expected return on savings. Let's assume that whatever savings that we do over the next 13 years, that can earn on an average around 10% per annum. All right. Let us also expect the expected inflation rate during these 13 years. Let me assume a rate of 8%. Okay, these are inputs which are debatable, which you can always keep putting a different amount to compute them. Anyways, we are building a model. Later you can modify them and see how it works. So with this numbers being given, I would like to also include some other information. Let's say, for example, if you have already done some savings, existing savings, all right, let's assume that this investor has done some 2 lakhs of savings towards kids education. He already has around 2 lakh rupees. All right. So if this is the case, if this is the assumption set that you're giving me, I can calculate the target corpus required. Target corpus required would be see, 25 lakh is at today's cost. Add the inflation rate of 8% for every year and compound it. Okay. So for that, we use a function called FV, future value, in Excel, which requires around 3 inputs to start with. So the percentage rate at which the education cost is expected to grow is around 8%. And how many number of periods do we have? We have around 13 years. All right. And PMT will be 0. That is, is there any annual amount? No, there is no annual amount. And the PV amount, the present value amount, would be around 25 lakhs. So if I type this, okay, I'll get a value that the total cost of 25 lakhs after 13 years is going to be equaling to 67,99,050. Okay, that means with inflation rate of 8% every year, what is 25 lakhs today would be costing us almost 68 lakh rupees. So that is our target corpus. All right. So now that we have, we have our goal set, let us see how to achieve this. So less existing savings required. Okay. So now here, instead of existing savings, I'll take the future value of existing savings because I have 2 lakh rupees as of today. And if I'm able to earn 10% on that, how much will I have, after 13 years? So for that, again, I will put the function future value. This time I'll take the rate as 10%. Number of periods would be 13 years. Payment will be 0 or null. Just leave it. Present value will be minus 2 lakh. I'm putting a minus symbol and clicking 2 lakh rupees and press enter. That means the 2 lakh rupees that I currently have on my hand will be giving me around 6,90,454 at the after 13 years. So that now that I have the target corpus, okay, of around 67 lakhs, whereas out of that 6 lakh 90 is already arranged for. So therefore I will say shortfall to be accumulated yet. Okay, accumulated yet. That means we still have to accumulate a corpus of around 67 lakh 99,000 minus 6 lakh 90,000. This is basically what I want to achieve. All right. Now, how many, what I should save, every month. Okay, monthly savings required to achieve the above shortfall. To achieve the above shortfall, if I were to calculate here, let's say I will use a function called PMT. PMT will calculate the monthly savings, okay, annuity cash flow. All right, the rate, okay, because it is monthly, the return that I can earn would be 10% divided by 12. Okay, why 12? Because 10% is a yearly rate, correct? Maybe we have not mentioned it. Maybe I'll mention it here so that there is no confusion. So it is an annual rate. So I am going to use PMT. Rate will be 10% divided by 12. Okay, whereas N per number of periods would be 13 years. Okay, and present value is nothing, and future value. Note that in the future value I am putting 61 lakh 8,000, and type I will mention 1 because I would like to start the savings today itself. So that's it. You enter, you have what? 4 lakh 43,160. 1 second, I just want to check something here. PMT rate. Okay. The number of periods would be 13 into 12. I'm sorry, I did an error there. The number of periods is 13 years, but 12 months. 13 years into 12 months. So I have to multiply with 13 into 12. I do that and I enter. So I'll have to save around 19,054 every month, which can earn me 10% per annum, such that I will accumulate around 61 lakhs. The 2 lakh that I have will give me 6 lakh 90. So in total, I'll have around 67 lakh 99,000. This is a simple education model that one can build for planning education. Okay. Now this whole plan, I will be this Excel particular model, I'll be uploading in the uploading in a Google Drive, and will be sharing the link in the description. So thank you for joining. Bye bye.